In this video, we're going to go over the first of many Java string methods. We've talked about this one a little bit in the past, but I want to do them all in a complete set. So let's say I have a string 1, and we'll set it to this is a test, and I have string s2, and we'll make it hello there, right? Okay. So what we're going to do first is talk about one method that is called charAt. So strings are just an array of characters, right? And the string always starts its numbering for each character with 0, right? So in string S1, the capital T is character 0, and that lowercase h is character 1, and the I is character 2, and so on. And in string 2, the capital H is character 0, and the E is character 1. So that's the biggest mistake people make. They say, you know, what's the second character in string 1, and they think it's H. But in reality, in Java, the T is 0, the H is character 1, and the I is character 2, right? So the first method we're going to use is charAt. So if I had a variable C, which is of type char, and I wanted to pull out a certain character out of one of these strings, I could say C equals whichever string I'm using, and then charAt, right? And in the parentheses here, I'm going to put which character I want, again starting at 0. So since I'm pulling it out of S1, I want to pull, let's say I wanted to pull that S out. That would be the 0, 1, 2, third character, right? That would be the S. And then let's define two characters, right? Character 1, character 2, right? And then let's say in the other string, in S2, I wanted to pull out, let's see, the first character, let's say that capital H. Well, that would be character 0, right? And now I can print them out, right? Let's just print them out to the screen, right? So third char of S1 is, right? And that's C1. And then let's print out the 0th char of S2 is, right? And then I'll print that out, C2. So if I run this code now, right, I get the third char or third character of S1 is the lowercase s, right? The lowercase s, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? That's the lowercase s. And then the 0th character of S2 is H, right? So that's the actual, the real first character in there, but it's numbered with 0. So charAt is useful for pulling out characters out of a string.